Welcome to Open Time Clock, your reliable, secure, cloud and web-based time clock system that helps any size of business manage timesheets. Using our software, you can easily keep track of the time your employees, students, or volunteers have done their work. When you access our website, the first page you will see is the overview page, wherein you can see a summary of what our product offers. In this page, you will also see some links that are available at the top of the web page. First, we have the features, where it shows you the features that our software offers. We have the facial recognition for clocking in and out, webcam photo to capture an image when your employee record timesheets or timestamps, track the location your employee clocked in or out using the GPS and map, easier option to clock in using barcode, RFID, NFC, or QR codes. It is simple enough. You just need to click few things and you should be able to clock in and out. You can track the job your employee is doing. You can assign shift schedule to your employees. You can also track approve, deny, absence, or PTO request. Here are some additional features that we have. Next, we have the video page. The video page is where you can watch multiple tutorials on how to access our software. Next, we have the manual page. It will redirect you to a different link where you can see a step-by-step process on how to use our software. It also gives you the definition on what each feature has to do when you set up your company. You may also download this file to a PDF by clicking this button and just click print. Next, we have the FAQ page, or the frequently asked questions, where you will see, as the name suggests, the frequently asked questions of our customers, as well as the answers that we have for each questions. The next, we have the demo page, where you can book a free live demonstration, where once your booking has been received, you will be emailed a Zoom meeting link where you can interact with a live agent while he is demonstrating on how to use or giving out instructions on how you can access our software smoothly as possible. The next we have the download page where you can see the links where you can download the manual, the desktop app for Windows, the desktop app for Mac OS, app for Android. It may be from Google Play, it may be directly from our website, and also an app for iOS devices. Next, we have the pricing page where you can see our pricing, which starts from $25 a month up to $1,200 for 5 years. This is a flat price, doesn't change, and it is for unlimited users. You will also see here the features that are available in free plan, paid plan, and custom plan. So the key difference between the paid plan and the free plan is that on the paid plan, you have the access to the reports page on where you can print out specific reports that you need to be viewed in specific files such as CSV, PDF, or Excel files. The other key difference is that you will be able to use the facial recognition if you are only on the paid plan. The next page we have is the purchase page, wherein after signing up and you have decided that you will sign up subscription with our software, you can just go into the purchase page, fill up the necessary fields, log in, and you should be able to process your payment through Stripe. If you want to pay using a PayPal account, then you can just use the old payment page. You just click on this link or open it in a new tab, and it will direct you to this page. Now, lastly, we have the Contact Us page where you can send us an email with our support, which is support@opentimeclock.com. Or you can send us a message if you encountered any issues or if you have any concerns regarding how you use our product. You can also see at the bottom there is our toll-free number, which is +1 833 702 2927. One more way to get in touch with us is by clicking the message icon at the bottom right corner of the web page. If it's color gray like this one, then that means there's no live agent available to cater your concerns, but you can still leave your message. And once it's turned blue, then that means a live agent is available and you will be able to interact with them. Welcome to Open Time Clock.